again. So this is a follow-up to the 3 lines of promenade. If you have not seen the 3 lines of promenade video, please don't do me a favor, do yourself a favor and go check that one out. It's going to help you in everything smooth. So the 3 lines of promenade are actually quite simple to understand, a little difficult to do. It requires a little bit of practice because it feels confined, but it isn't really. A couple of benefits that you get from dancing the 3 lines of promenade is, for one thing, I don't pull the lady over. I know exactly where she wants me to go because I wait for her to quite literally push my foot through to where she wants it to be. If the lady is constantly always dancing in promenade, her body position is always in promenade, then all I really have to change is not her body to go to promenade, but simply her head. From one body line to the next body line. Now that I have flipped that switch, or that turn signal, if you will, now we can take the step. I move here. Now, she actually takes her back leg and pushes me through. She's telling me exactly how large of a step to take so that I don't pull her off balance.